it's Spence from WP Launchify with your WordPress tip of the day. This one is Automagical. Have you ever had the problem when you're making your WordPress website, either with your favorite page builder, inside of your cart flows, or even outside your website doing some banner ads for Facebook, that you want to remove the background from an image of somebody, maybe even yourself? Well, I've had this problem, and up until now I've had to use a specialized photo editing tool such as Photoshop or online with Pixlr or Pixlr Express, and it's just a pain in the tush. But now there's an answer that's one click simple. It's here at Remove.bg. All we need to do is take an image address online or the image itself and upload it to the site, press a button, voila. Let me show you how easy it is. Over here on Pexels.com, I'm going to grab an image to use, and it works with the person in the picture. So let's try this lady here. I'm going to copy the image address, go to Remove.bg, click Enter URL, paste, click the button, snap my fingers, and poof! I've got myself an image without the background that I can download and use anywhere. How simple is this? Total game changer. High five to whoever set this up. I have to reach out to them because it's very rare that I get so excited about a tool like this. But I can see using this almost every day, especially when you're using Divi, Beaver Builder, Elementor, or even Gutenberg. Now you want to make your banners, you set the background color or something else, pop in an image of a person, and you look like a hero. Give it a try and tell them Spence sent you over at WP Launchify. If you like these videos and this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and otherwise let me know at help@WP Launchify how we're doing. And that's launchify.com. See you on the next video.